guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's Nevershoutapril. Don't mind the wig. Oh my god. So fun fact, my mom has curly hair, my sister has curly hair, my grandma has curly hair, and I have straight hair. This is a wig and I bought this in Palmdale. It was legit $20, like $25, and it's a really cool wig, yo. Like,
so if you want to learn how to create this, then keep on watching.
So first I'm going to prep my skin with Urban Decay's Quick Fix Prepping Primer, and I'm going to apply this all over my forehead first. I only do one spray and I'm going to apply it all over my forehead. Now to smooth out my pores, I'm going to use Milk Makeup's Blur Stick, and this is going to go in the middle of my forehead. Now for foundation, I'm using Maybelline's new 24-hour Super Stay Foundation in 220. It's a full coverage foundation and it comes with a pump. And I'm gonna use this crown brush to blend out my foundation. That is coverage. I'm gonna highlight my forehead with Catrice Cosmetics Liquid Camouflage Concealer. It's a high coverage, waterproof, long lasting concealer, and I'm going to put this in the middle of my forehead. And I'm setting my concealer with their mattifying transparent powder, and I'm gonna use this Real Techniques brush. Now to bronze up my forehead, I'm going to use this Kiss New York Pro Contour Kit that they sent to me in shade Light, and it comes with the brush. I'm going to use the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm going to darken up my temples. For my brows, I'm going to use Kiss New York's Top Brow Pencil, and I'm going to try something different with my brows today.
So I'm gonna create like these little lines, these little stripe lines on my brows. Don't come for me, okay? I'm trying something different with my brows. My brows change all the time, so if y'all don't like that, I'm so sorry, but I haven't found my favorite brow routine. So now I'm gonna brush it and I'm gonna redo the lines.
Now to clean up, I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier Eye Basics Primer in Wheat and a Morphe 148 brush. Now I'm gonna start darkening it up. Now for the rest of my brow, I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow in dark brown and their brush in number 12. Now I'm gonna start at the top. Now I'm going back with Kiss New York's Top Brow Pencil, and I'm darkening up the areas where I need more definition.
I'm cleaning it up now with the same Laura Mercier base primer that I used earlier.
I'm blending the base with a Morphe Bling It On brush.
And whatever product is left on my Anastasia brush, I'm going to shade the inner brow.
Now I'm going to use my Benefit 24-hour brow setter to set my eyebrows. I'm applying my Laura Mercier Eye Basics Primer in Wheat, and I'm going to blend it out with a Morphe Bling It On brush. I just applied my tape and I'm ready to apply some eyeshadow. So today I'm gonna be playing with the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. These colors are super pretty, but I did have trouble with Antique Bronze and Cypress Umber. They're really powdery. If you apply like a lot, you're gonna have so much fallout, so a little bit goes a long way. For my transition shade, I'm going in with Railguard and I'm using a Sigma E40 brush. And this is gonna go all over my crease. Now I'm gonna go in with Love Letter and I'm using a Sigma E70 brush. And this is also gonna go all over my crease, but closer to the lid. Now I'm using this Eye Slay brush from Morphe and I'm gonna go in with Cypress Umber. And I'm gonna darken up the crease. I'm gonna go back with that E70 brush from Sigma and I'm blending the brown. Now I'm using my Laura Mercier base primer in Wheat and my Morphe 148 brush. And now I'm gonna blend out the base primer. Now to shade in the middle of the crease, I'm gonna use Antique Bronze with a Sephora brush number 24. So I'm having trouble with Antique Bronze. I have a lot of fallout because I'm really trying to pack it in there. I'm trying to get any pigment out of it. And I literally licked my brush so much. I licked my brush to kind of get pigment out of the eyeshadow. It's really hard to notice it. It looks really nice on camera, you know, but in person, I have to tilt my head a certain way to notice it on myself. With the Morphe 326 brush, I'm gonna use Vermeer and I'm gonna apply this on my inner lid and as well as my brow bone. For liner, I'm going to use this Morphe gel liner in Vitamin C. And I'm going to use a Morphe 250S brush. I'm also going to add some Inglot Duraline to smooth out the eyeliner. I'm going to start here. At first it's gonna look like a faint glue, but the more you add it, it's gonna start looking like its true color. So I'm gonna keep adding more. So at this point, I'm gonna remove my tape. Just kidding. From here now, I'm gonna add liner.
I'm using my Catrice Cosmetics concealer to clean out my eyeliner, and I'm using a Morphe 148 brush.
¿Qué? ¿No le trajiste suéter a tu hermana? ¿No traes suéter? Sí, Si le traje suéter, lo tenía puesto. Dile en el programa. Yo le llevé con suéter. Bye.
And that's my mama for you guys.
You see that? Man, she showed. Yeah. I'm gonna grab Rogar and I'm using a Morphe brush. I don't have a name for this one, but it came in a set. Focus, bruh. Focus. Okie dokie. I'm basically gonna apply this right below my waterline. I'm gonna go back with Cypress Umber and I'm using a Sigma E30 brush.
And now I'm gonna create that cat eye wing slowly, and I'm adding little by little. Now I'm adding both ends together to create this dramatic wing. Concealer is literally key.
Now I'm gonna curl my lashes with my Revlon curler. I'm going to use these Slay lashes in I Am the One.
And I'm using my favorite duo glue ever.
Now I'm going to line my upper lash line with a Makeup Forever pencil in black. For mascara, I'm using Catrice Cosmetics Glam and Doll Volume Mascara, and it's waterproof. I love waterproof mascaras.
They prevent my lashes from falling down. Usually other mascaras don't work for me, but this one, I really loved it.
And I'm done for the eyes. That was hot. Just kidding. Now I'm done with the eyes. I'm gonna prep my skin with Urban Decay's Quick Fix Prepping Primer. And it's this one right here. And for the areas where I have pores, I'm gonna use Milk Makeup's Blur Stick. And it's just this little travel size. It's not the big size. And I usually spray this in my hand and just rub it on my face. My face does get really red, so don't freak out. It's just my face. And I'm gonna use the blur stick in the areas where I have pores. It smells good. It smells like limon. For the rest of my face, I'm gonna use Maybelline's 24-Hour Foundation in 220, and I'm gonna apply this on the rest of my face with the crown brush. I love this thing has a pump. And I'm just gonna start applying it to my face. Yeah, this thing has coverage, just what I like. Okay, and then where the areas where I have acne, I tap it over. I don't like to blend it because I don't want to irritate my skin as it is. So I just tap it and it just blends by itself. By the way, my skin has been reacting really bad. I don't know what's going on, but I've been really itchy lately. I don't know what the hell it is. It's not really pimples. I really know what they are. They're just like granitos. Red spots are pimples. Just these, they're just little balls there, you know? It's like, what the hell? Why you gotta do me like that? Blend it to your neck. When you don't got a neck matching your face, it's not cute.
I'm gonna go back with my concealer and I'm gonna use the Sigma Edge Kabuki brush to blend it out. And I'm applying it in the areas where I wanna shine bright like a diamond. Okay, that was dumb, but whatever. I'm also adding a bit more in my nose, my upper lip, and my chin area.
I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in Fair. And I'm gonna set the areas where I applied my concealer with this Real Techniques brush. Now I'm gonna use this shade and I'm going in with the Morphe Bling It On Set brush. To contour, I'm gonna use Benefit's Hoola Bronzer and the Luxie 522 Tapered Highlighter brush, and I'm gonna contour my cheekbones. I'm also gonna contour my double chin. I'm also gonna contour a little bit on my nose. For blush, I'm gonna use Sigma's Cor de Rosa Aura Powder, and I'm gonna use a Morphe 530 brush. For highlight, I'm gonna use Becca's Champagne Pop with the Morphe 529 brush. For lips, I'm gonna be using Kylie Cosmetics Dolce K Lip Liner with Sam Marcel's Ombre Lipstick. And I'm gonna top it off with Kiss New York's Lip Gloss in Bailey's Vanilla.
And I'm finally finished with the look. If you guys do end up recreating this, please tag me. I love seeing recreated looks from y'all. You guys are the sweetest. Thank you for following me. Please like, subscribe.